I get a lot of questions about grinders, so we're going to compare 3 different sizes and hopefully help you pick the one that works best for you. All grinders have the same basic parts: motor housing, head, auger, knife, plate, front ring, tray, and stomper. The size of the motor and the size of the plate will determine the output of the grinder. Here we have a number 8, a number 12, and a 22. The best way to compare these machines will be seeing how long it takes for each grinder to process the same amount of meat.